Hello fellow eToro traders and investors, Dan here from Trading with Dan. So a little bit later today with my video, as I was actually waiting for a new mic to arrive. I had a few people say the sound quality wasn't very good, so I got a new mic, so hopefully this is a lot better. The few test recordings I've done, it sounds a lot better anyway. But yeah, anyway, so over to the market, see what's been going on. So the S&P futures were opening lower before the US Open, looking quite weak. Obviously, again on trade fears. I mean, I did expect pretty much sideways going into the Fed rate decision, and then what Jerome Powell's going to say in his speech after. But yeah, we had a bit of a dip. So obviously, in comes the saving us tweets and comments about how Trump may delay the increase in tariffs that are basically promised on the 15th. I mean, they're pretty much not going to happen, are they? Let's face it, on China. So that then obviously turned around the markets a bit. Yeah, so I mean, annoyingly, I was looking. I think I explained in my last video. I had been looking at shorting tops in the S&P, but I had realised looking back that buying the dips in gold was a better strategy. So that's what I did yesterday. Bought gold when I thought we were at high in the S&P. The S&P came off, and then gold came off as well, and then I only really managed to scratch my trade earlier this morning to take that off around about break even. I mean, it did run to what was my first preliminary profit target, but I just have a general rule: if a trade, if I don't get the entry right, I will take basically take a scratch when it comes back my way, rather than sit holding it through still, or let it go back offside again. So yeah, so that was a little bit annoying, because obviously stocks did come off quite a lot, so quite a lot from where my entry would have been. But yeah, so stock market. So yeah, if we take a look over at gold, gold basically we did. This was round about where I bought yesterday, and then as you can see, we came off. So I think I got out around about here, and then we did go. I mean, my first actual targets were 1470, which was the mid-range of here, which he didn't quite reach. But then after I had then gone a bit offside, I was then looking to get out at 1467. So yeah, I would have hit that quite nicely, and then would have been out, and then potentially looking to go back long here on this TD9. But seeing as I hadn't got the move I wanted, and then obviously stocks were quite a bit higher, I kind of held off for entry. So, and then also with Wednesday coming, a big market mover, I was thinking maybe I just don't want to take the trade on just yet, in case I'm in it for a couple of days. Yeah, so that is gold. To oil, over to oil. I mean, one day I'll be brave enough to sell one of these rallies in oil, but I mean, I don't know if you can see, there's a pretty textbook, I don't know if I'm even going to draw it. Textbook. Yeah, I'm not very good with these drawing tools. I'm all just see the patterns. I mean, there's a textbook ascending triangle here, which is obviously increasingly higher lows and then hitting up a top level of resistance. So I mean, this is looking like, whilst I am overall bullish on oil, but I do obviously realise it's at the top of the channel. If it was ever going to break the top of this channel and get up to like a good 61, 62 level, it's going to be soon. But yeah, because we are bumping up on the top of this resistance. The resistance you can see here, and we've been getting lower, higher lows, higher low, higher low. So this is pressure building. So maybe this isn't the best time to take a short, because we could easily get a spike up. But on that spike up, I'll be looking for a bit of consolidation, and then maybe we're going to re-enter the channel again. We'll have to see how that plays out. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking at market wise. Yeah, so we have got the Fed meeting on Wednesday. I can't see how we can't have a bullish, a dovish Jerome Powell, because I mean we've got like repo markets, and we got stuff unwinding all around us. So I mean if the market got any sense of hawkishness from him, there would be, I mean stocks would literally, there'll be that Wile E. Coyote moment when they look down and realise there's nothing there. But yeah, so I mean, Powell, I think um, has to play to markets' hopes and expectations. So yeah, all right then. Happy trading and investing, and I may do another video later on today. But if not, I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for listening. Bye.